Okay, so we've been doing some pretty frustrating stuff in our house with people getting into things that they're not supposed to. So I thought I would do a review really quick about a little product that I found. I paid $25 for this, which I thought was a deal considering we are dealing with our sameness here. So what this is it's a fingerprint padlock. It's really simple. It's lightweight. It has a nice sleek look to it. Can you open this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Oh, it doesn't like your fingerprint.
Oh.
Let's see. Here's one that I programmed. Ready?
Ah.
That's what we like to see. Sit. Okay, now to add guests. Verify the admin. And then simple, super simple. If you want to reset it completely, take the key again. I'll do this way so you can actually see. We are reset. This is where we keep our electronics. It has become a problem. So, oh, I accidentally locked it on myself. And we're all set. No more little boy waking up in the middle of the night to play video games because it's locked now.